This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly, slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. The max and min levels are marked on the side of the coolant expansion tank. With the engine completely cold, the coolant level should be up to the max mark. If topping up is necessary, rotate the expansion tank cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze to bring the level up to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Brake and clutch fluid. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The max and min marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, wipe around the filler cap and unscrew it. Add fluid to bring the level to the max mark, then securely refit the filler cap. Only use new fluid from a sealed container. Screen wash fluid. The screen wash reservoir is located at the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Open the filler cap and top up the screen wash reservoir with a mixture of water and screen wash fluid. Don't forget to close the cap. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.